Welcome to KubeFM. First and foremost, can you introduce yourself, say who you are, where you work, and what do you do?
Yeah, I'm Shahar Azulay. I'm CEO and co-founder of Groundcover. Great to be here.
Very good. Nice to have you with us. So, getting close to KubeCon, can you tell folks where is your booth going to be?
Yeah, we're going to be at N462, so definitely stop by.
Very good. That being said, for people that stop by, what are the kind of conversations that you're interested in having at KubeCon?
I think Groundcover definitely represents a lot of like major trends that we're seeing right now in the observability market specifically. We're leveraging eBPF, which is a very unique technology, but I think Groundcover is very eBPF first compared to most of the other ecosystems. So we leverage it to the full extent. And one of the things that we've just released and would love to kind of see how people react to is basically using eBPF to create very quick time to value, even when it comes to dashboards and monitors, right? You're monitoring a big Kubernetes deployment, which can be sometimes very hard. And with eBPF and with that frictionless deployment that Groundcover can offer, we also offer you the way to get deep visualizations that you can also look at and use to alert inside the platform. So we'll definitely want to talk about that and showcase that to people as something that will help them kind of ease into an observability platform for Kubernetes really quickly.
Also at your booth, I imagine you'll be giving out some swag. What kind of stuff can people expect?
So we're first of all the kings of socks. Some claim to be the best socks in the universe, but we have a lot of different things that you might expect, like tote bags and screen cleaners. Since with ground coverage, you can definitely see clearer right after installing, and a lot of very very cool swag. So definitely come by to collect some unique swag. Our brand is lovable. I hope that some folks know us, remember us from time to time.
As a proud owner of Groundcover socks, I can attest to that and look forward to getting some new ones because it's always nice to re-up. Now, we're getting close to KubeCon, so a lot of people are going to be talking about AI and the different trends, whether, in the Kubernetes ecosystem. What's your take on the convergence of AI and Kubernetes coming together? Is this just a hot topic, or where can you actually see it on the ground?
So I think that, AI eventually is a trend that Groundcover is already doing in multiple aspects. One of them being migration. People are moving from an existing vendor into Groundcover. It's never a greenfield, right? And we're helping our customers migrate hundreds of dashboards and hundreds of alerts from a legacy vendor into Groundcover using AI. The second is querying your data, visualizing your data really, really, really quickly. This also ties really nicely with the fact that Groundcover is built on a bring your own cloud architecture, which is completely unique in the market. Basically, we store, maintain, and operate all of our customers' data on their cloud premises. It allows us to store much more data, which is also a very fertile kind of bed for AI, right? Because eventually there's lots more data that customers save with Groundcover. We offer traces out of the box using eBPF for all of our customers for the same price. So we can offer much more comprehensive and interesting AI kind of experiences, and that's what we're working on in 25. And we'll definitely talk about it in our booth and talk about our vision for that this year. We're great believers in that, and it starts with great data, right? And that's kind of what we're working on.